What's up, YouTube? My name's Tmasss. Thomas. I go by Tmasss mostly, but going to install my short shifter with two of my friends, Lewis and Danny. All right, let's get it. So bouncy. For those of you that don't know my car, this is my car. 2011 Honda Civic Si, 8th gen. I got the JDM rear, Type R rear. And Danny's here. And he showed up just chopping everybody up with this shit. Look at these wheels. Chopping everybody up with the Type R seats. Carbon trunk. Such a nice car. Do I hear Lewis pulling up right now?
I don't hear Lewis.
The other red Civic pulls up. He's static. He's bagged.
Static.
No. Don't let him fool you, because this is bagged. You ain't driving like this. There's no way.
What's up, Dottie McDots? Not even. Hey, beautiful.
What's up? Alright, so we're taking out the whole middle console.
Finally listened to me, and he's vlogging.
About time.
About fucking time.
Alright, so we're taking this shit out.
Short shifter time. Hybrid racing, all things.
Like yours have like rubber base bushing, so like when you go like that, it's not like stiff.
Yeah, it's not solid.
Like the whole shifter won't move. Like yours will move. So like you see how it just like hits, like stops. I don't know. Thanks. So I'll give you them.
Right.
Put them in your car. Like you see how like there's no play in it. It's just like boom. All right, you got it?
Yeah.
All right, this shit's coming out. Danny, record. Oh shit. Wait.
Wiggle. You see, I'm.
Oh, straight.
There you go. Careful with that. You don't want to break that shit.
That was easy.
Okay, I'm trying to.
Alright, so there was no instructions on how to take the shifter cables out. It just said turn clockwise, but you can't do that with your hand. So you grab a pair of pliers and just, you know, it's not gonna damage them at all. Just grab it, put it on there, and turn clockwise.
On this black piece right here, and you twist this bitch. But you twist this left, and you're out.
These things right here.
That's that bitch.
All right, now time to put the shifter in. Shout out to my girlfriend for buying me this for Christmas. Even though it came the end of January, but it's all good.
Never.
It's all good. Put this in there. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. Here, I'm gonna hand the camera back to Danny. All right, one shifter cable connected. Boom. Watch out.
Damn, that shit.
Are you recording? Yo, what a difference in stock. Now that I have the shortest setting, I have to shave part of the plastic so that
corners? Or this?
no, it's not. It's
Oh, nigga, what are you listening to?
This is clean.
I think I gotta shave this right here.
My clutch wheel.
Cause in the picture, right there, it hits this.
So you just have to break that off?
Yeah, I could cut it off with a razor. I could just Dremel it off. All right, I'm gonna put it in the car. Alright, so we're back. I put the plastic console in and I shaved with the Dremel.
Got clearance.
I shaved right here. Yeah, it's off focus.
Or that clearance.
Yeah, so I can have the shortest throw on the shifter because it would hit the console. So I got clearance now. So I'm gonna put everything back together. We're gonna go for a little drive, get some food. So food. All right, so we just finished. That's what it looks like with all the plastic pieces back with my carbon fiber trim, K-tune shift knob. Looks amazing. I'm gonna take it for a test drive in a little bit. All right, so I had these Acuity shifter. Hold on. I had these Acuity shifter base bushings, and I don't need them anymore because I don't have a stock shifter. Danny does, so passing them on to my. All right, we just finished installing the Acuity base bushings on Danny's car. She's like, bah.
About to be banging gears now.
You're what?
About to be banging gears.
Yeah?
Now. Not as much as Thomas though.
Yeah, Thomas is the real fast guy. Tell him how much you spent on
How much you pay for the shift now?
Bro, 190, bro. 190.
I'll kill myself.
Bro.
For what?
For a shift
For
knob.
what?
For a shift knob.
A Mugen shift knob. Carbon fiber.
Shift knob. How's that shit feel?
Shit was good as fuck.
Oh, you have another review.
Good? Yeah.
Damn, nigga.
What?
You threw me back, son. I wasn't expecting all that shit. You threw my ass back. Holy fuck. There you go.
We're going to eat, and Lewis has to get air in his tire because he's gonna debead. He's behind me. Danny's riding with me. He's behind me. You can't even see his car because it's so low.
See it through the rear, though.
Alright, well, we're going to get air in his tire, and then we're going to get BurgerFi. So, yeah. This is what happens when you get Nankangs.
Yeah.
Fucking DB 24/7. Damn, I have quarters in my car.
Yeah, fuck name kings. You know, name kings. Boy, I gotta do this shit every fucking.
Static problems. This is why my car is how it is. So I don't gotta worry about shit like that. I got plenty of clearance, and I'm still low. Nice tires, hold air, perfectly fine, versus Lewis with his stretch tires and his fucked up ass lip. Boy. Alright, hand this shit back over to Danny. About to do another pull. Hard parked in the parking lot.
Never had this?
Danny didn't bring his because he had to record me doing pulls.
Sad story.
Damn. Daddy of all F85s. Let me stop. Let me stop. Thomas.
We've been.
The best burger from BurgerFi right here. Breakfast all day burger.
Food is life.
Lewis is bringing my car up because this seems like a great spot to take some photos, so.
So fucking short.
Back up! I can't really do anything in traffic. Alright guys, so that's probably the end of the video right there. Just taking some pictures of our cars right now. But thanks for watching. I know it probably wasn't much. We just installed my shifter and just went to go eat. But I'll keep posting some more content. Hopefully I can get some more vlogs up, doing other stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.